नमस्ते।
नमस्ते मैम।
Okay.
नमस्ते मैम।
लास्ट क्लास में हमने क्या चर्चा किया था? चिड़िया की आंख विदा शब्दार्थ, right?
Yes मैम।
So today we can discuss शब्दार्थ, विलोम शब्द, पर्यायवाची, then question answer also. Okay? Are you ready?
मैम ready.
Yes.
Yes मैम।
इससे पहले please mute your audio. One by one I will call you. One by mute your audio. Make it fast. देखिए, we discuss शब्दार्थ, चिड़िया की आंख, वो चैप्टर का, वो लंबी कविता का, वो मीनिंग्स, इंग्लिश मीनिंग्स एंड हिंदी मीनिंग also we discussed. Okay? देखिए एक और बार we can go through this.
Okay मैम। Okay मैम।
Okay. Yeah. देखिए, प्रत्यंचा धनुष की डोरी, the thread of, I will call you. Okay. Prayan, can you read this? Last class we discussed this. So please read. Only Prayan can unmute. Okay, others mute. Yes, Prayan.
Yes मैम।
Yeah, read कीजिए Prayan. शब्दार्थ. Prayan, can you unmute one more time? Yes, please read.
प्रत्यंचा
Yes.
धनुष
की डोरी. Second word. Okay, I'm moving to enough. I'm moving to next one. Helen Tito, Helen, can you read?
Yes मैम।
Yes, please.
अक्ष, अंक,
I. Jatan.
मोहन,
मेहनत.
hard work.
Hard work, yes.
Mount, Samahosh, silence.
Khamosh. It is Khamosh. Repeat.
Silence.
Silence. Then.
Dhanurdhar.
Dhanurdhar. Yes, I'm moving to Shreya, please.
Yes ma'am.
Helen, enough. Shreya, read कीजिए.
Which one words ma'am?
From Dhanurdhar.
Dhanurdhar, Dhanush Dharan करने वाला, archer, लक्ष्य, निशाना, aim, श्रेष्ठ, उत्तम, best.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Please mute.
Thank you ma'am. Ma'am,
Pratyanja, no, I will, don't ask like this, okay? Can I? I will call you. I know, okay? Pratyanja, Dhanush ki dori, the thread of bow. Aksh, Ank, eye. Jatan, Mehnat, hard work. Mount, Khamosh, silence. Dhanurdhar, Dhanush, धारण करने वाला, archer. Laksh, Nishana, aim. Shreshth, Uttam, best. These meanings and all last class we discussed. So I'm moving to Vilom Shab. देखिए, Vilom Shab, please note down the meanings, English meanings. Okay. If you have any doubts.
Of the विलोम शब्द.
एक विलोम शब्द माने क्या है इंग्लिश में? या विलास आग्नेय विलोम शब्द माने opposite. Yes. Yeah. देखिए, एक, अनेक. एक माने one, Anek mane?
Lord.
Many. One more. Many. Okay. Aaj, kal. Aaj mane?
Today.
Today. And kal?
Today. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yes.
Tomorrow.
Krodh, Shama. Krodh mane? Angry. And Shama is?
Kind. Silence.
What silence? Shama.
Patience. Patience.
Patient.
Kind.
And next one, Parisram Alasi. Parisram Alasi. Parisram mane hard work.
Hard work.
And Alasi इसका just opposite है. Alasi mane laziness. Laziness. Parisram hard work and Alasi laziness.
Ma'am, will you send the notes? The WhatsApp?
Yeah, I will send it. I will send it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you say that crowd's opposite English? Sham.
Shama. Patient.
Shama. Sorry.
Patience. Parisram alasi. Parisram mane hard work karna. Alasi, it is laziness. Prashamsa ninda.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Prashamsa karna mane praise.
Excuse
P-R-A.
me, ma'am.
Yes, praise. Yeah.
I am Rana Fatima. Will you repeat the meanings one more time?
First one.
Yes. Everyone, will you tell one more time?
Yes. Last class you are not there?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. I will tell. Prashamsa ninda. Prashamsa माने क्या है? प्रशंसा praise करना. So निंदा माने regret करना. Regret. प्रशंसा opposite
Can you
निंदा.
say the spelling of
प्रशंसा निंदा. प्रशंसा माने praise करना. Praise. And निंदा माने regret.
regret? What?
Aramb ant. Aram माने start.
Starting.
And and means end. And means end.
And.
All of you mute your audio. I will call you in it. I will call. Okay.
Ma'am, can you say the Ninta's English meaning spelling?
Which one?
Ninta.
Yes, regret. R-E-G-R-E-T.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Pooja, can you read? Gulam Shab. Others, please muted.
Yes, ma'am. Ek. Unek. Anek. Aaj. Kal. Krodh. Shama.
Shama.
Parishram.
Parisram.
Alsi. Prashamsa. Prashamsa. Ninda.
Ninda.
Aramb. Ant.
Yes. Thank you, Pooja.
Ma'am, one more doubt, ma'am. Ma'am, Shreya.
Yes, ask.
Should you want to write Hindi meaning Hindi or in English?
No,
Is
only
or
Hindi.
Vilom Shabd? Okay, ma'am.
Gulam Shab only Hindi enough. English.
Can you put in
मेरी
bracket?
भाषा है, that's why. No need. इसका आवश्यकता
Okay,
नहीं.
ma'am.
Okay. Then Madhav Ranjit, can you unmute? Madhav, please read. Gulam Shab.
Ek.
Anek.
Anek. Aaj. Kal. Kaur. Shama.
Krodh. Shama.
Parishram.
Parisram.
Alsi. Prasamsa.
Ninda. Aram. Ant. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, what is the meaning of anek?
One more. Many. One. इसका opposite. One more. Two more. One more. Like many. Okay. Who I call? Yes. Vishnu, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please read कीजिए विलोम शब्द.
Ek. Anek. Aaj. Kal.
क्रोध.
Krodh. Shama. Parishram.
Alsi.
Prashansa.
Ninda. Aram. Ant. Okay. Thank you, Vishnu. Good. Devak Menon, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read कीजिए विलोम शब्द.
एक अनेक,
Mm.
आज कल,
Mm. क्रोध. क्रोध.
क्रोध क्षमा
क्षमा. Yes.
परीक्षा परीक्षा
आलसी.
परिश्रम. आलसी.
आरसी
Mm.
Excuse me, ma'am. Someone is talking with that Devak Menon.
Yes. परिश्रम.
Someone is
आलसी.
talking.
The next one. प्रशंसा.
प्रशंसा निंदा.
निंदा. Yes. Then one more. One more.
आरम अंत.
Aram. Ant. Aram.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ant.
आरम
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is that?
Rana Fatima.
एक अनेक. एक माने one. अनेक one more. Many. अनेक many. One more. Then आज कल. आज means today. आज today. And kal tomorrow. Kal tomorrow. Please note kal tomorrow. Krodh angry. Third one. Krodh angry. Angry. Shama patience. Shama patience. Shama means patience. Next word. Parisrami, hard work. Parisram, hard work. अच्छी तरह से hard work करना. Hard work. Parisram. Parisram, hard work. Alazi, laziness. Alazi, laziness. Laziness. I'm moving to next word. प्रशंसा. Praise. Praise करना. दूसरे लोगों को praise करते हैं ना, वो praise. प्रशंसा. इसका opposite निंदा. Regret. Regret करना. उपेक्षा करना. Regret. Last word आरंभ means start. Starting, something we are starting, शुरू करना, start. आरंभ, start. And इसका opposite and means end. End. E-N-D. End. आरंभ opposite end. I hope you got it, Rena. Okay, next time onwards, starting itself note the meaning. Okay.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
we didn't get time to complete our portions and all. Okay, my dear.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
One doubt, ma'am. Should I
Yes.
ask? Should we want to write these all notes today itself? And
Then I will
write
send.
it?
I will send it. I will send it.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now you just listen carefully. Okay. Next,
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
moving to Paryayavachi Shabd. Listen carefully. Paryayavachi. First, I will read. Listen carefully. First, I will read. Then I will call you. Okay. One by one, we can read. Ank, Nate, Akshu, Lochan. Please note the words. Ank, Nate, Akshu, Lochan. Ank means, क्या है Ank? Amin. Only Amin can answer. Only Amin. Yes, Amin. Ank means
I
what I told. Only Amin can say the answer. Amin, say the answer.
Ang means I.
Okay, very good, Amin. Please mute.
We should
Ank
write
का
this.
पर्यायवाची है Nate.
Ma'am, yeah, we should write this.
My dear children, 2-3 times I told, no need to copy this. Just listen the class. Every notes I will send in the group. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ank, Net,
Okay, ma'am.
Akshu, Lochan. Ank means अमिन ने कहा आंख इज आईज, तो इसका पर्यायवाची है नेट, अक्षु, लोचन. I'm moving to second word, Dhanush. What is the meaning of Dhanush? Only Rizin can give the answer. Rizin.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanush mane?
Bow.
Yes, bow. Very good. Please mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Chop, Dhanu, Sharazan. Please note the word chop, Dhanu, Sharasan. One more time I will read. Chop, Dhanu, Sharasan. Okay, now I'm going to read the first one. Ank, Net, Akshu, Lochan. Net, Akshu, Lochan. Then second one, Dhanush. Dhanush माने भो, रिजी ने कहा भो. इसका पर्यायवाची है चाप, धनु, शरास. Okay, I'm moving to third word. Gaudam KN. Third word is बाग. बाग माने क्या है? बाग.
Garden.
Garden. Very good, Gaudam. Please mute. Please mute. Yes. Bag. Bagicha. Listen carefully, everyone. Bagicha. Vatika. Fulwari. Please note the words. Bag. Paryayavachi words. Bagicha. Vatika. Fulwari. One more time. Bagicha. Vatika. Fulwari. I hope you got it. Bag, Bagicha, Vatika, Fulwari. Okay, I'm moving to fourth one. Barn. Agnay kya hai barn? Only Agnay can say the answer. Okay. Barn mane? Barn. Yes. Where is he? Give the answer.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
No. Only Agnay can say the answer. Agnay, what is the meaning of barn? Don't know?
No.
Then I will ask you another one. Listen carefully, I will come. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I take?
No. I will ask. No. Avantika, can you say what is the meaning of barn? Unmute and tell the answer. Yes. Barn mane? Barn.
Ma'am,
Barn.
Ma'am.
Yes, I'm moving to Pooja. Yes, Pooja. Can you say Bhan mane?
Arrow.
Yes, arrow. Arrow. Everyone, please note the meaning. Arrow. Bhan. Arrow.
Oh.
Okay. Tir, Shar, Tomar. बाण का पर्यायवाची शब्द है तीर, शर, तोमर. अवंतिका, प्लीज नोट द मीनिंग. ओके. बाण का मीनिंग एरो. बाण, तीर, शर, तोमर. आई होप यू got it. बाण means तीर, शर, तोमर. Okay. I'm moving to last one. It is vriksh. Vriksh. Saurav, are you there? Saurav, only Saurav can unmute. Saurav,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. What is the meaning of vriksh?
Tree.
Very good. Please mute it. वृक्ष माने tree. So tree का पर्यायवाची शब्द है पादप, तरु, विटप. One more time I will read. पादप, तरु, विटप. I will read the 5 Paryavachi Shabda. I will read now. Listen carefully. Ank, Net, Akshu, Lochan. Net, Akshu, Lochan. Ank, Net, Akshu, Lochan. Dhanush, Chap, Dhanu, Sharasan. Bag, Bagicha, Vatika, फुलवारी. बाण, तीर, शर, तोमर. वृक्ष, पादप, तरु, विट्ट. My dear children, एक बात करना चाहिए. Next class you must study शब्दार्थ, विलोम शब्द and पर्यायवाची. Next class one by one I will ask questions. Not together. Mass answering and all I don't want. One by one I will ask. What is the meaning of this? I will ask. शब्दार्थ, पर्यायवाची and विलोम शब्द. अच्छी तरह से पढ़कर आना चाहिए. One more time we can do the reverse. Yes.
Question answers we need to.
Yes.
Question answers we want.
Question answer next class only. I will discuss. We can discuss next. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you will send the notes of.
Yes. I will send the Shabdarth, Paryayavachi and Vilom Shabda. I will send it. Evening I will send. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
अच्छी तरह से पढ़कर next class में आना चाहिए. Okay. Now we can discuss one more time the same.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Please mute all.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute. Then I will call you. Okay. देखिए. Someone asked me, right, the शब्दार्थ का meaning. देखिए, शब्दार्थ. शब्दार्थ. प्रत्यंचा. It's a pronunciation is प्रत्यंचा. And इसका meaning धनुष की डोरी. English word, the thread of bow. The thread of bow. Then I'm moving to second word, aksh.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ankh, eye. Third word,
Excuse me, ma'am.
jatan. Yes.
Ma'am, while you are discussing that Paryayavachi Shabd, not
Paryayavachi
Paryayavachi Shabd.
Shabd we can read. Yes, we can read now.
Ma'am, last one.
Last one.
I was disconnected, ma'am. I
Okay,
don't know
okay.
why.
Okay. Then we can read one more time. Okay. Jatan, mehnat, hard work. Maun, खामोश, silence. धनुर्धर, धनुष धारण करने वाला, archer. लक्ष्य, टाना, aim. श्रेष्ठ, उत्तम, best. श्रेष्ठ, उत्तम, best. श्रेष्ठ, उत्तम, best. Then I'm moving to, then ये read करना चाहिए. Angelina Martin, please read शब्दार्थ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read कीजिए.
प्रत्यंचा, धनुष की डोरी, the thread of bow. अक्ष, आंख, eye. जतन, मेहनत, hard work. मौन, खामोश, silence. धनुर्धर,
Yes.
धनुष धारण करने वाला.
वाला.
आखर,
हाँ.
लक्ष्य, निशाना, aim. श्रेष्ठ, उत्तम, best.
Yes. Next, thank you dear. Now, please unmute Manu. It's your chance.
Ma'am,
Read the Shabdarth. Manu.
Kenja, Dhanush ki dori,
Mm.
thread of bow,
Yes.
Ankh, eye,
Yes.
Jatan, mehnat, hard work,
Yes.
Mount,
Khamosh.
Khamosh, silent, धनुर्धर,
Dhanurdhar.
धनुष धारण करने वाला, archer,
Yes.
लक्ष्य,
Laksh.
निशाना, aim,
Aim. Sresh.
straight, उत्तम, best.
Very good. Good reading it was. Thank you, Manu. Please
ma'am.
mute. Yes. Rudra, can you read second one? Vilom Shabd. Rudra Krishna, please unmute. Fast, fast, fast.
Yes, ma'am. एक
Mm.
एक
Yes.
अनेक
Mm.
आज
Mm.
कल
Yes.
क्र-
Growth.
तो क्रोध क्षमा
Shama.
क्षमा
Mm.
परीक्षम
Parishram.
परिश्रम
Mm.
अल
Parishram. Alsi.
आलसी
Mm.
परिश्रम आलसी
Mm.
प्र-
Prashamsa.
प्रशंसा निंदा निंदा
Aram.
आरम आम
And. Okay, very good. Very. Thank you. Please mute. Fia Maria. Fia, can you read? Vilam Shab.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, William should write
Yes. Vilam Shab.
एक अनेक
Mm.
आज कल
Mm.
क्रोध क्षमा
Yes.
परिश्रम
Alsi.
प्रशंसा निंदा
Ninda.
आरंभ
And. Very good. Thank you so much. It was nice. Please
Thank you.
mute. Okay, Anantesh, can you read? Payyavaji.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ank,
Mm.
Netra, Ashu,
Akshu,
Lojan,
Lojan.
Ashu, Lojan,
Mm.
Danush,
Mm.
Shab,
Chap.
Chab, Danu,
Mm.
Sharasan, Bhag,
Mm.
Bagicha,
Mm.
Vatiga,
Mm.
Fulbari,
Yes. Third one. Fourth one.
Ban,
Ban.
Tir,
Mm.
Shar, Tomar,
Yes. Vriksh.
Brish, Padak,
Taru.
Taru, Bitak.
Vita. Yes. Thank you, Anantesh. Then Piranova. Yes. It's your chance. Can you read? Piranova, are you there? Please unmute and read.
Ma'am, maybe connectivity problem.
Okay, my dear children, देखिए, anyway time is over. Okay, next class we can do. So next class, do one thing. आज I will send notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Shabdarth, listen carefully first of all. Listen carefully what I am telling. Shabdarth, Vilom Shab or Paryavaji today I will send in the group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
2 times each you write. 2 times full शब्दार्थ लिखना है, 2 times full विलोम शब्द लिखना है, 2 times full पर्यायवाची लिखना है. And next class just show
Ma'am,
me.
in the notebook.
Notebook, in the note, rough book. Or in a paper.
For right hand
Okay.
studying, right?
Right hand side.
we should write ma'am it 2 times
2 times each, yes. Okay.
ma'am.
My dear, next class. Today I will
Thank you ma'am
Devaji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you ma'am. Bye ma'am.